What you cooking, Eddie? So I picked up a Haynes 2.0 solar oven off Amazon. They're like 80 plus 20 for shipping, I think it was. Something like that. It might be cheaper at the Haynes website. But I started this about 9 o'clock this morning. Or maybe it was 8 o'clock. So I had a set. There's different settings. You either use the blue dots or the red dots, depending upon how long your shadow is, and you line it up to your shadow. I got it on the table. You could put it on the ground, but I was just a little concerned about ants. In a windy situation, you can tie down there on each of those side flaps. It's bright. I had to have my sunglasses on, which I don't usually wear too much no more. And I can feel the heat on my head when there's no, when I'm not in the shade. And it's weird, because when I go in the shade, I'm bitter cold. I'm still like ultra sensitive to temperatures as it is, but now it's really bad. So I put 6 chicken legs in there, and it was boiling really good. Then I just went, now about 15 minutes ago, put some baby reds in there that I sliced down to a small size, and some baby carrots, and it's just starting now to boil back up. Now I see, look at that, it's just starting to boil again. And what impresses me is that it boils equally around the entire circumference, depending upon if you have this straight with your shadow, is what they recall, what they ask to do. I think I'm pretty close to it. But it's amazing how hot it is. Like that little tiny steam hole right there, it was heating up. There's a plastic dome over top of here. Alright? It's like a polycarb. And the pot sits on a polycarb ring also. But this is the first time I used it. I just thought I'd give it a shot. I know it's going to rain. And our skies are somewhat cloudy, but not cloudy, just more of a mist cloudy. And I think my chicken's actually done already. I'm pretty sure the juices look pretty clear. I poked a couple of them before I put the potatoes in, and I guess I should have did that like 15 minutes sooner. But that's okay. Whatever, doesn't matter. The last little hour or two of sun I get, it will cook.